Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a double sway. Knowing how to do a sway already is really important. Probably quite helpful if you already know how to do a Catapult Sway or a Sway Catapult. I'll put links to all of those in the description below, so if you want to go back and have a look at any of that stuff, maybe because you want to do prep or because you do this and something doesn't feel quite right and you're wondering why. Anyway, they'll be in the description so it's easy for you to find. Without further ado, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard sway. We go right to right, we go back, wrap the sway, pick up the hand, sway the lady back, sway the lady forwards. From here we send the lady forwards turning to the right, the left hand goes up to allow the lady to do that, we let go with the right hand, guys turn to the right, offering the right hand behind the back once we're there, hence the connection to the catapult because this is a catapult position now. We release with the left, keep turning to the right, we re-wrap the lady into the sway, and then we're back to a standard sway. Back, forwards, away, change hands if you want to, return and back, depending upon what hand you're going to need next. We'll do it again from the other side, give you the other view, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, wrap 2, sway back 3, forwards 4, turn 5, re-wrap 6, sway back 7, forwards 8, face 1, return 2 and back 3. So let's do it together. Man's right, lady's right, double sway, 5, 6, double sway. We go a back, wrap, back, forwards, turn, wrap, back, forwards, out, return and back. And that is the whole thing. I hope that plays nicely for you and is good fun out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And notification bell means you'll get told every time a new video comes out so you don't miss anything. Last few seconds of the video there's a couple of recommendations come up windows. One of those is a music video, something nice to practice this move to, and the other stuff is what the algorithm thinks you'll like if you like this one. So as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.